Record. Hello, Professor, everyone. This time we'd like to have our week three discussion question regarding the interviewing each other. Um, the Dora and I would like to have our interviewer and interviewee for the topic that we prepare. So I will start first. So my scenario is like artificial intelligence is transforming how companies operate from decision making and customer service to marketing and data analysis. While AI improves efficiency, it also raises concern about job security requires skill and the evolving role of human employees. This interview explores how professionals view AI's growing influence on their work, industries, and future career opportunity. Okay, so there the first question. How do you think AI has already started to change the nature of work in your industry or profession?
Hi, Jean. This is Saeed. Hi, Professor. Thank you for asking me this question. AI has already began, like the reshaping the workplace by the um, automating the routine task, so improving decision making and the enhanced productivity. So in many industries, including, like the healthcare, finance, and the marketing, AI tool analyze the large volumes of data, like much faster than the human can. So allowing the professionals to focus on more strategic and the creative responsibilities. You know, I mean, AI is doing a lot. And for example, like the predictive analytics, like helps managers make informed decision based on trends and the customer behaviors. While, like the chatbots have transformed the how business interact with the clients, providing 24/7 support.
Yeah, thanks for your response. Okay, so number two question. So what are some positive outcomes of integrating AI into your business operations?
Um, in that case, like AI integration has led to a significant, like efficiency gains, even cost reduction and the improve accuracy in operations. So it allows organization to optimize, like the workflows, reduce, like human errors and deliver personalized services. So in marketing, AI supports customer segmentations and, targeted advertising. So for example, in healthcare, it enhances the diagnostic, like precisions. Additionally, AI enables faster data processing, helping leaders make, like proactive decisions that enhance competitiveness and the innovations within the organization.
So are you actually actively using the AI tools like in your business right now?
Yeah, sometimes we do, especially, like when it requires, because we are getting, like more accurate answer when I using the AI tools.
Nice. Okay, so third question. So what challenge or concern do you have about AI replacing certain human tasks or the roles, like, replace a job like that?
Um, you know what, like one major concern is job displacement. Especially in positions that involve, repetitive or the manual task. And there are also, like apprehension about the widening the skill gaps as employees who lack, like technical proficiency and may struggle to adapt. So ethical issues such as data privacy, like algorithm biasness and the transparency also, like pose challenges. So while AI can augment, like human performance, over reliance on the automation, which may diminish, like critical thinking and interpersonal communication in workplace. So, if it is not managed carefully.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, thanks for response. So number four question is, so so what do you think about the person who has the skill or the qualities will be most valuable for employee in an AI-driven workplace?
Um, in an I mean AI driven environment, adaptability, digital literacy, and the problem solving will be especially it's too crucial. So employees will need to understand like how to work alongside AI tools and interpret, data driven insight effectively. So soft skills such as creativity, emotional intelligence, communication, and the ethical judgment will also become more valuable, since these are areas where human abilities, surpass automation. So lifelong learning and the continuous upskilling will be essential to remain, the relevant in a fast changing technological landscape.
Mhm. Okay. So final question. So how can organizations ensure the AI adoption benefits both the company and its employees? Any idea?
Yeah, I mean, like, you know what? The organization should take a balanced approach to AI adoption by, combining technology and advancement with the workforce development. So this includes, providing training programs or reskilling the, opportunities and the transparent communication about how the AI will be used, and ethical frameworks and the human oversight should guide like AI deployment to prevent misuse or bias. So by involving employees in the transition process and aligning the AI initiative with human strength, companies can build trust and create a workplace where innovation and job satisfaction coexist.
Yeah. Yeah, so AI is like, increasing many concern for the people, like, but like having, bringing some more benefits to the like, organization. But yeah, I think it's very hard to like find the like some balance between the like using AI more and like, how we can actually like, using the for the like, improving our like, you know, kind of work environment. But yeah, this is kind of challenge for the like, in this industry, for every industry right now. So thank you for the like answered all the question, and I think like yeah, my I actually asking all the question I have. Thank you.
Yeah. You're welcome. So into my case,
Mhm.
I basically create a scenario, like it's about the job satisfaction in a growing tech company. So I basically create a hypothetical, a scenario. I mean, just giving you a little bit example on it, uh, say for example, it's a prime tech enterprise. It's a mid-sized technology company who has recently, expanded its operations to multiple states across the US. So with this rapid growth, many employees have reported mixed feeling about their job satisfactions. While some appreciate the company's innovation, flexible work option, and some feel and other feels like overwhelmed by the increased workloads, unclear communication, and the limited recognition. So I do have few research questions. Like, I mean, if you were employee into that organization, like, what sort of view, you have, based on my questions. All right. So I'm gonna ask you, like 5 questions about it. Like, I mean, I'll really give you the, the scenario. So my first question is, how would you describe your overall level of job satisfaction, and what factors contribute, most to it?
Yeah, so I think I'm like overall, I would say I am very satisfied with this job because the reason for the like work rate increase because the company is growing fast, in the like this industry, which means that like we're actually growing with the company, even though there's like many like miscommunication and there's some growing pain because of like there's many things that are going to be changed with the like organization growing. Yeah, so I feel like yeah, the something have to be improved more, like communication, organization, hierarchy for the companies, but um, but it's actually like kind of things that we have to organize in by ourselves to like make managing the company better than like before because the like company is not just like the like staying at a small size as before. So yeah, so I think like we have to have some like little bit more flexibility, like how we can adapt the new environment, the company, and the yeah, this is kind of key factor to like how we can like satisfy the yeah current job and the like and maybe this is kind of like giving me the little bit more motivation to how I can like grow together and how I can develop my skill for the company. Yeah, new environment.
Okay, that's fair enough. Yeah. So, my second question: in what ways do leadership and the communication within the company influence your motivation and the job satisfaction?
Yeah, so I think leadership is very, very important for the like yeah, our company right now because they are like kind of like small leader, yeah, previously, but now the company is getting bigger and they have more like responsibility and more role. So as for the leader, I think they have to foster them to reach giving the right direction and then giving some motivate, like giving some reward about their work and encourage them to like achieve their like some new goals and like giving some clear guidance about what they have to do for the work, right? So this kind of like things that I um, require from my leader, and it actually giving me more motivation to like achieve the like goal for the company. And the
Hmm?
like it actually like giving me more the job satisfaction. Like if we can just work together as a team and following the like, right leader.
Right. Okay.
Mhm.
And I mean, how does the company rapid growth and the changing work environment impact your sense of stability and the satisfaction?
So frankly speaking, like growing is good because it's giving me a little bit more stress for the and like because I have to like have more workload and like work with many other like new people. They're just joining the company. Yeah, but the thing is that like growing is always like giving us like a little bit more challenge, right? So challenge is like giving us more, yeah, giving us a little bit more motivation to like to go together. Yeah, so it's kind of like the school work because like the previous work I only like working 8 hours. Now I'm working 12 hours more, and there's like many like conflict with the new people and the like older employees. So, but there's something that we have to compromise something together so that yeah, that's the goal the company and like how I can like mitigate the that conflict and the like how we can actually find what is the like in a balance for the like old employee and the new employee. So that's the key factor that like we actually growing more in the future.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
And what role do recognition like and the career development opportunities play your satisfaction at work?
At this point, yeah, like I'm working for so kind of like business management, but so for my career development opportunity, I'd like to DM like yeah, learning more about financial things because that's actually like I can understand about like organizations yeah moving forward and like there's many things actually hiding. Yeah, so hiding in my I'm sorry, I can achieve in my current job, current role. So if I can expand my role to the like the financial and then learning about what they're doing, I think it actually help me to like develop more career and like maybe like hopefully like to find a better job in the future.
Okay.
Mhm.
So, I mean, if you could suggest one change to improve your job satisfaction across the company, what it would be and why?
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, I think like maybe yeah. So So what I'm trying to say is like some moving to the like new job or new like department, right? So this is kind of like if I am staying in a one specific job for very long time, then that's actually like giving it kind of like demotivation about my work because I'm actually getting like used to it. So if I have to giving like something other opportunity like working for another department, right? So they're learning a new like work and then like extending my job like or like my role. I think that's the kind of things that I can get yeah about yeah yeah getting you yeah, a little bit more satisfaction for the work. Is
Mm,
that
okay.
the answer?
So, I mean, are you satisfied overall, like into your job, right?
Yeah, yeah, that's right.
Right. Yeah, that's all bit, like from my end. I mean, these are all the
Mm,
questions I have.
mm.
And based into that, like we will gonna respond, I mean, our DQ for this week.
Yep.
So thank you, Dean, for your time today and participate in the discussion questions and the interview questions, thanks for your time.
Thanks for your time. Yeah, yeah. This is like it's been a while for like having an interview, but yeah, this is very new to me.
Yeah, me
Yeah,
too.
yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't have an interview since like yeah, this last 10 years ago. So
Yeah,
yeah.
I mean, that's for a while now then.
All right. Thank you for your time today, and like hopefully like we can do better like discussion question next time.
Yeah, thank
All
you.
right. Thank you.